clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day.
What will you say when you go home?
Mom, I love you!
Yes! That should be the spirit, because your mom, she loves you unconditionally. She is a symbol of unconditional love, unconditional support, care, motivation. So, today's special assembly is on Mother's Day, and the prep children of our junior wing are all here. They look so beautiful and colorful as always, and the teachers and the coordinator has worked hard to prepare a special assembly on Mother's Day. So I should not waste much time, because even I want to see what they are up to.
My name is Mohammed Umar from K.S.A. Welcome to this special assembly. Today is special because today is Mother's Day. We'll now begin with reciting the Quran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin amin. Now, Tariq will now give us the thought of the day. Good morning, everyone.
Sure. Listen.
My name is Tariq Roshan from Prep T. Today's thought for the day is God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. I repeat, God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now Daniel will recite a poem. Sometimes mom say don't do this. Sometimes mom say don't do that. Still she loves me, that I know. Why? Because she tells me so. Sometimes mom say let's do this. Sometimes mom say kiss, kiss, kiss. I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Now Firza will give us a few words on mother. Good morning, everyone, and my dear friends. My name is Firza My mom's name is Samina Mom. We are going to celebrate Mother's Day. Mother is the sweetest name on earth. Mother is the first friend, best friend, forever friend. Mothers are very kind. They take care of us, love us very much. We can count our mothers every single minute of our life. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all. Now we'll all sing a very special song for our mothers.
Oh my mom.
big one. Basically, happy birthday. I love you, mommy.
There is someone who I love so, and mommy is her name. Oh, M-O-M-M-Y, 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 and mommy is her name. Oh, there is someone who gives me hugs, and mommy is her name. Oh, O-M-M-Y, 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 and mommy is her name. Oh, there is someone whose smile I love, and mommy is her name. Oh, M-M-Y, M-M-Y, M-M.
Happy Mother's Day. God bless.